Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Muhammad Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 7. Our today's topic is Chapter 4, Basic Discussion. Chapter 4, Basic Discussion, Part 1. Okay, it's our first class in this year. That means in this session for class 7, this is our first mathematics class. And I am going to discuss about Chapter 4. In Chapter 4, we have multiplication and division of algebraic expression. Today, I will discuss only about the multiplication. Okay, first of all, multiplication contains the commutative law, the associative law and the distributive law. What is commutative law? Do you know what is commutative law? Look at the board, it's very easy, very simple. Commutative law, suppose 4 multiplication 3 equal to how much? Equal to 12. Now if we exchange the multiplicand and multiplier position, that means if we multiply 3 by 4, we will get how much? We will get 12 again. That means when we multiply 4 by 3, we will get 12, and when we multiply 3 by 4, we will get 12 again. That means the multiplication contains the commutative law. Okay, now we are going to discuss about associative law. Okay, what is associative law? Multiplication also contains the associative law. What is associative law? It's supposed to multiply 3 multiply 4. This is a bracket. That means we need to multiply 2 with 3 first. Then we have to multiply the result with 4. We'll get how much? Look, 2 multiplied 3 equal to 6. Multiplication with 4. That means 6 4s are 24. The result will be 24. But if we multiply these two first, that means 2 multiply 3 multiply 4. That means now our bracket is here. Okay, this means first of all we have to multiply 3 with 4, then we have to multiply this result with the 2. So 2 remains here. 3 4s are how much? 3 4s are 12. Now multiply 2 with 12, it will be 24. So when we multiply these two first, after that the result multiply with the last number, then we get a result, that is 24. Okay, it is an example. And when we multiply these two with the result of 3 and 4 multiplication, we will get 24 again. That means the multiplication contains the associative law. The commutative law and associative law we can write down by the variables. Okay, we can write down by the variables. That means we can write down AB, that's equal to BA. It is the commutative law. Okay, and associative law is what? A multiplication B multiplication with C, that's equal to A multiplication with B multiply C. This is associative law. Okay, that means the multiplication maintains the commutative law and the associative law. Now I am going to discuss about the distribution law. Okay, now distributive law is what? Distributive law is, suppose we have A with multiply with B plus C. Okay, this one equal to AB plus AC. This is called the distributive law. Okay, with the example I am going to discuss it. With the example I am going to discuss it. Suppose this is 2 multiply with A plus B. This one equal to twice A plus twice B. We need to prove this one. Okay, this one equal to this, we need to prove this one. How we can prove this? Look, when you write down twice x, twice x means what? Twice x means x plus x, that means 2x here. Okay, twice x means x plus x. So we can write down 2 into A plus B. Suppose this is a x, suppose this is x. Okay, twice x, so we can write down x plus x, that means A plus B plus A plus B. We assume A plus B as x. Twice x can be written down as x plus x equal to twice x. So we can write down twice x. A plus B, suppose A plus B is x, so we can write down x plus x. Now we know how to do addition. Okay, the variables a plus b plus a plus b. Now separate the similar variables. It's a plus a, then it's b plus b. So the result will be how much? A plus a equal to twice a and b plus b equal to twice b. That means we can write down 2 multiply with a plus b is equal to how much? Twice a plus twice b. That means the distributive law, that means multiplication maintains the distributive law also. We can discuss it by an geometric process also. We can discuss it with the geometric process also. Look at the board very carefully, students. It's very easy and very simple. Okay, suppose this is a big rectangle. Okay, it's a b c d. It's a rectangle. This rectangle divided into two equal to the rectangles again. It's 1 a b e f. Okay, that means we can write down the area of a b c d. The area of a b c d equal to how much? Equal to the area of a b e f, the area of a b e f plus the area of d c e f. D C E F. Okay, we can write down from this figure area of A B C D equal to area of A B E F plus the area of D C E F. Okay, now suppose this AB's length is 2, BE's length is A, and EC's length is B. Okay, now find out the area of ABCD. What is the area of ABCD? First of all, ABCD is area. Okay, ABCD's area is length multiplied with width. So length is equal to 2 multiplied with width. Width is how much? Width is BC, right? BC equal to how much? BC equal to BE plus EC. BC equal to BE plus EC, right? So B equal to how much? A, and EC equal to B. That means BC equal to A plus B. And when we need to find out the area of ABCD, the length is this AB and the width is BC. So BC's value is A plus B. That means length multiplied with width. Okay, this is the area of ABCD. Now find out the area of ABEF and DCEF. We need to find out these two area. Now dear students, find out these two ABEF area of ABEF. So it is how much? It is the length multiply the width. The length is again 2. The width is what? Width is BE, right? BE means A. And we need to find out the area of DCEF. DCEF. Now look very carefully. The length of AB is equal to 2. That means the length of DC equal to also 2. So the length here is 2, and the area of DCEF is length multiply width. That means 2 multiply B. 2 multiply B. So we get here twice A plus twice B. Now look, with the help of the geometric figure, we can prove that twice multiply A plus B equal to twice A plus twice B. That means multiplication maintains the distributive law also. Now I am going to write down two formula of exponents. Okay, two formula of exponent here. This is very important for you. We will use the formula when we multiply some expressions. Okay, the first formula is a to the power m multiplication with a to the power n. That's equal to a to the power m plus n. You have learned this in class 6. You have already learned this in class 6. This is the first formula of your book. Okay, and the second formula is a to the power m to the power n. That's equal to a to the power m n. Okay, that means the power will be multiplied it. And the first formula is when the base are same, when we multiply these two, the base are same. Okay, the power will be added. And when the powers power, then this power two power will be multiplied. This is our formula number 1. and this is the formula number 2. Both the formula is very important. Okay, we will use this formula maximum time when we do any multiplication of expression. So dear students, now come on the sign problem. There is a lot of problem arise in the previous class. You did mistake a lot of time with the sign. Okay, in your book page number 58, in the bottom you have a figure like this one. Okay, you have a box in the page number 58 in the bottom right side and there are 4 solutions of multiplication. Okay, this is the result and this is the multiplication. Okay, is the multiplication. When you multiply +1 with the +1, when you multiply +1 with +1, we will get +1. When we multiply -1 with -1, we will get +1. When we multiply +1 with -1, we will get -1. When we multiply -1 with +1, we will get -1. It is very easy to understand. Look very carefully. When we multiply two numbers, when we multiply any two numbers, if the sign are same, that means if the sign are same. Look, first number and second number, if the sign are same, that means this two multiplications number +1 +1, that means these two sign are same, right? And the second number, these two sign -1 -1, the minus sign are same. That means when we arise the same sign, we will get as a result a positive number. We will get as a result as a positive number when we multiply two similar sign number. Okay, but when we multiply two different sign number, when we multiply two different sign number, look, +1 -1, the sign are different. Here is -1 +1, the sign are different. When we multiply two different sign number, we will get as a result a negative number. I think you are very clear now. For example, I can write down +5 multiplication with -2. +5 multiplication with -2. Look, here is a plus sign and a minus sign. That means the signs are not same. That means different sign. So we will get minus sign as a result. And 5 2s are 10. So our result will be -10. Another example I can give you, -5 multiplication with -2. Okay, dear students. Now both the sign are same, that means we will get positive sign as a result. Now 5 2s are 10, so -5 multiplication with -2 we will get +10. I think, dear students, you have understood. Now in the next class we will discuss about the multiplication, how to multiply the monomial by the monomial and polynomial by monomial, and also we will discuss how to multiply polynomial by the polynomial. Okay, but do you know what is monomial and what is polynomial? In class 6 you have learned it. Look, monomial, okay, and the polynomial. Monomial and polynomial. Dear students, when we get some single term expression, that expression is called monomial. When we get a single term expression, that expression is called monomial expression. That means we can write down, suppose 4x, this is a single term expression, this is called monomial. Okay, and the polynomial, suppose twice a plus 5b plus 7c, it is called polynomial. When and in an expression, when an expression more than one term arise, more than one term we get, then that expression is called polynomial expression. And in the next class I will discuss, inshallah, how to multiply monomial by monomial, how to multiply polynomial by monomial, and how to multiply polynomial by polynomial. Okay, so keep practicing at home, stay home, stay safe. See you again, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.